Right now in my computer screen, you can see various type of Linux operating system logo and name. You can easily run any of this Linux operating system directly from your browser. You don't have to install this Linux operating system on your computer. If your computer has installed a single browser, using that browser you can run any of this Linux distro. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So guys, right now you can see my computer screen and here I have a Firefox browser. Now there is a website called distrosea. Using the distrosea website, you can easily run multiple Linux operating system directly from your browser. You don't have to install any of that Linux operating system in your computer. So first of all, search on Google distrosea. Then go to this first link distrosea.com, and this website allows you to test drive Linux distro online without installing it. If I scroll down here, you can see there are lots of Linux operating system which you can easily run from your browser. You don't have to install any of this Linux operating system in your computer. You just need to select which Linux operating system you want to use, click on that, and it's gonna run that Linux operating system directly on your browser. But all of this Linux distro doesn't have internet connectivity. So if you want to run any of this Linux operating system with the internet connectivity, first of all, what you need to do, you have to create an account on this website. For this, click on login. Then you can sign in with your Google account. Okay, here you can see account has been created. And now you have to select which Linux operating system you want to run. Let's say I'm gonna run Arch Linux with the internet connectivity. So I'm gonna click on Arch Linux. Then from here, I'm going to select latest. Then I'm going to click on verify you are a human. Then click on start Arch Linux. Here you can see my position is number 10. I have to wait until my position get number 1. Okay, so here you can see a season running Arch Linux started for me. Now to access that Arch Linux operating system, I have to click on continue. Now in my browser, Arch Linux should boot. Here you can see the Arch Linux logo. Now it's booting the Linux operating system for me on this browser. So guys, here you can see my Arch Linux terminal. By default, no desktop environment are installed on this Arch Linux operating system. But if you want to use any Linux operating system with the desktop environment, you can easily do so. Let's get back to the main window, and now from here, select any of the Linux operating system that has desktop environment. So from this list, I'm going to select this Linux Mint. Let's click on it, and from here you have to select the desktop environment. You can use Cinnamon, Mate or XFCE. I'm going to select XFCE desktop environment. Click on it, then click on start Linux Mint, then click on continue. And now Linux Mint should boot in my browser. Here you can see the Linux Mint logo. Now the Linux Mint operating system is booting on my browser. So guys, now here you can see the Linux Mint operating system running on my browser. Now I can easily use this Linux operating system from my browser. Here you can see the start menu and all of the application. Here you can see the internet browser. By default, Firefox browser has been installed on this Linux Mint. Also, I can use the terminal. I can use the file managers. I can directly use this Linux operating system from my browser. I don't have to install anything else. And just not only using the operating system and browsing the internet, we can also install application whatever we want into this Linux operating system. Here you can see we have the software manager. Here you can see all the application that we can easily install on this Linux operating system from this software manager. So guys, like this you can easily run Linux operating system directly from your browser. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.